Hmm. Can't get enough of that. What is up, Ben? Are you lurking? Are you actually here? Or are you lurking on me, man? Probably lurking on me. That intro, right? Dude, I know, I know. And cool. I'm glad you're here for a bit. And then I have a transition that I'm gonna run through for you in just a moment. So you have to check that out too. Gonna be working on that timer that you saw at the beginning. We're gonna be making it better. I seem like a pro. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. But we're gonna work on that timer and make it seem a little bit better. So let's switch over to Code Sandbox and see what's going on. Oh, where's Code Sandbox? I don't even know. What the heck? Here? There it is. My bad. That part seemed less like a pro. Hey, Jimmy! Jimmy, you gotta get the displays going. What the heck? Got all the things wrong. Jimmy. Is my audio okay? Jimmy got my audio going too. At least he did something right, Jimmy. Gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna just refresh this guy real quick. So here's this little countdown timer thing going. Um, we broke it up into a whole bunch of pieces so that I have pretty succinct control. The sound seemed a little bit too much in the transition. Like volume or just like it's just too much? Because I can adjust that. I mean, I made it, so. Oh, it's aggressive. No, I like it. Dude, I pulled it out of the middle of a song that I have a license for. So don't even try to be like, he did stuff and he shouldn't. It's copyrighted. No, I have a license to do whatever I want with that song. Yeah, okay, so it's a little aggressive. Uh, well, while I've got you here, real quick, what do you think about this one? Less aggressive? Same but different? Better? Preferred? It's nice, he says. Cool, we'll go with that one for a little bit. I trust my bro. Play. Oh, you want me to play the other one again? All right. I also have another version of the other one that has different sound effects. Boom. Right, here it goes again. I can also do a happy mixture of the both, based on transitioning to one view to another. It's cool. I got a lot of tools like that we can use. Oh, maybe I am playing Valorant. No, I don't know. Okay, so under the codes. Enough messing around with the stream. Thanks for the input, little bro. Appreciate it. Ben is my brother, by the way. He is legit. Um, so this one, you like this one better? Okay. Can't get enough of it. I mean, I like it so much that sometimes I like start dancing and I'm like, yeah. Anywho, cool. Well, we'll stick with it since I did do more work on that one because I appreciated what I was hearing. Um, cool. All right, let's work on this glitch stuff. So one part of the glitch that I want to control a little bit more is the timing. All of them right now have a solid time, and I want them to have different time. And it's in seconds. So I'm going to say, um, can I? No, it gets floored. Um, okay, so I've got to construct a 2-digit time here. So I'm going to use a string template. Got these curly braces going on here for me. Got the rand ending this string template. So then I can put a little dot in here, and this will make a time in seconds. So I'm going to say from 0 to 1, and then I'm going to say from 0 to 9. So this time that we're going to do could be 0 seconds all the way up to 1.9 seconds, give or take. So if I save this, oh, that's broke. Almost. Now if I save it, I gotta do the templated string. Gotta get that $sign in there. So now if we refresh this, our glitches. Wow. Yes. Filling that is a lot of glitch. It's like too much on the timing. Let me look at the timer real quick. How many glitches am I asking for? Nope, it's in the app. App has the glitch that wraps the whole thing, and I'm not. So I'm getting all of the glitches, glitch count, which is 1. So I'm going to take glitch count, go to the app, and we're going to up the glitch count to 5. And now it'll be absolutely ridiculous. That's interesting. If I refresh it again, we'll get a different pattern. Okay, interesting. That one's just straight up broke. Cool. Inside of glitched, I haven't seen the red for a while, so I just want to make sure we're getting the back as well. Something's wrong with the back set. They don't have a text shadow color coming through correctly. Maybe they do. We're going to change it to red. And I guess I got to refresh. Text shadow color 1. So this guy, he's in the glitched. So then we have text shadow color 1 coming through, text shadow color to the glitch, text shadow color. Okay, I'm just gonna say that you're red. I'm gonna hard code you to red and see what happens. Oh, there's a space there, so it's just breaking. There it is. I can see the red happening a little bit now. We're creating a negative here, and that space was causing it to happen. Want to become famous? Go to bigfollows.com. No. Wants me to pay to get famous. Gotta send this guy to to Twitch gel, and then block him. Yeah, no, he's he's. Is there a difference between blocking and banning? I blocked. There might be a difference between a ban. I don't understand. Hmm. I get better at this Twitch management stuff. Can I unblock him? Ban. Timeout. Ban. There we go. There we go. Banned him. Banned him. Figured it out. There's a ban button. That guy's gone. Okay. So now we can see the red. Everything's coming through. So I'm going to come back here and we'll add our top one back. Man, that glitch. I feel like we're getting just a little too much in the time area. So how do I here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do time 1, time 2. Time 1 goes here. Time 2 goes here. Time 2 time 2 no, not that. Time 2, if it is greater than 0, can be wrong button, can be rand 0 to 5. Otherwise, it can be, that's probably too big of a window. We'll do like 3. Otherwise, if it's 0, which wouldn't be greater than 0, it can be 5 to 9. And then this goes away. That goes away. I get rid of a couple more things hiding in here from the templated string creation. Time 1. We don't know what time 2 is yet. Using it before it's defined. There we go. There we go. Glitchy. We could do more stuff like this where we're like, hey, let's do this, do that. But out of curiosity, if I were to drop the time in the scale as well, what happens there? That's not a value. It needs to be a templated string with the $sign and the curly braces so that it can pull it out of the JavaScript and insert it. Wow. So if we do that, then we can't have a background. And it needs much more variance on the top and left. Where's the red ones? Oh, they're behind. Um, does H1 have a, not as font size? Nope, that's not helpful. Where's, hey, glitched. Get rid of the front ones for a moment. I need to see the back ones again. They're there, but where's their red? Did it do it? Ah, it did it again. So, gotta wrap it to get through all this traffic. There. Now it's all stuck together and looks weird, but hey. Now we have the red. The reds. So I'm doing front and back based on, like, and that's driving the color. Maybe we just don't even care. Man, this scale thing, while it was cool in some regards, I either need a lot more movability. Okay, 500 is too much. 200. Just gotta poke around with these values, see where we get. Let's see now, what do we got? I'll refresh this. You know, the scale is an idea that I like, but I just don't know how to get it applied. Oh, there is not an up. Really? Then minus isn't going up because it did the same things are happening here, guys. I just can't win. Because I gotta keep no space here and it wants to give me a space, but I'm like, no. No spaces. There's like obviously another way to handle this, but I'm just being lazy. There we go. You know what? I could just why is it mad? Semicolon expected. There's your semicolon. Happy? I'm wondering if we just randomize these negative values. So I can just grab like a rand 0 and 1, and instead of, whether or not you're in front, who cares? You're just gonna be one of them. I don't care. Cool. Too much movement though. I'm just gonna take this back down to 10. Moving all around the place. Gotta figure this stuff out. And we get, some random glitching again. And if I add the background back in, then, it gets back to that more glitchy fill again. All right, have fun in lurk mode, Ben. We'll catch you later. All right, so we're gonna leave it like this. I feel like this is an okay result of where we've ended up at. So what we're gonna do is kill the front prop. So is front just doesn't matter anymore. Save that. And then in glitched, I don't need to pass this front here anymore. And there we go. There's the glitch timer. Cranking it out. Um, Fun work messages are always the best. Okay, so glitch is going. Glitch is good. Now, there's some design things that I want to change, and I wanted to change these based on the URL. So I'm trying to make a whole like glitched fun system. You give it a URL and it's happy and does things. So um, we're already starting to build out some URL controls using the query, using the router. Um, so uh, let's see here. We're going to call this app container at this point. Glitched timer, because that's what it is. And then inside of routes, I'm going to have a switch, which comes from React Router. And it can only have, there we go. Nope, that's not what I want to do. Cool trick. Then we need to have a route. And we're going to say if the route, now I forgot the docs. So it's great. We just go React router docs. So we can come to the docs. I can take a peek at their quick start here, and they'll be like, hey, do this, you get a switch statement, get a route path. That's what I'm looking for, path. All right. So I keep wanting to alt tab back to here, but that's just not how it works. So path, we'll call this timer. And still missing some buttons here. Gotta get that tag closed, yo. Gotta get it closed. All right, let's format this now. There we go. But it doesn't know route because I didn't give it enough time to actually hit the import piece. So let's just try it again. Route. There we go. Now it brought it in, and I have to think about where to import it at. Oh gosh, don't do that. So now there's nothing showing. So now if I go to /timer, there it is. So what's really cool is we can do the same thing, and I can build I can say timer slash what do I call that? Query get time length. So I think we'll just call it time length mil. Same thing. And then I can pass this as a prop from the route. Sorry, I can get it as a prop from the route, which I believe comes from the match params. So let params equal use route match from React router, and then I can say const. I don't know why these are. I prefer consts here, so we'll change those real quick. Consts, and then we can say what we need to say. Is it still here? Ah, yes. Is equal to params, and then I can take time length, and I can say do time length if it's in there, or get it from the query, or just pass undefined. So now if I refresh this, boom. All right, crushing it. Okay, so so then I can say like that for 3 seconds, and it should override it and do 3 seconds. But it's not because I used something wrong. Use params. It's just, that's it. Wow. It's that simple. Use params. Then I can destructure it from params. And then if I refresh this, why don't we get a shorter timer? Console.log this value for me. And it's undefined. Timer. Oh, it matched timer, so it fell through. There we go. Now if I refresh this, we'll get a 3-second timer. Boom! 3-second timer. Cool. Okay, so now we're using params to control that. Next would be, we'll call it background. Then, what did I call these? Text shadow color 1 and text shadow color 2. And I can just make these all variables as well. Okay. So then I can take those values when they show up and drop them in here. Oh, we need text color. Forgot. We need text color as well. All right, so let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Control C, comma, Control V, comma. Dang it, that didn't get all the commas, but that's okay. Comma, comma. Save that. What are you mad about? Comma, comma, all the commas. All right, now I can take this background color. I can drop it in here like so. I can take this text color, can drop it in here like so. And take text shadow 1. Text background color. Text color 1. Okay. Color 2. Okay, and then this one's just background color. Cool. So if we save this, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Those are like the defaults that got set somewhere else, like on the items themselves. But I can come in here and I can say gray, Rebecca, purple, hot pink, aqua. And there we go. But that color is gross. I don't like gray. I want to do hash OAOA12. Did that actually work? I don't even know. Inspect. I don't think the background. I don't think something went wrong. Yeah, background came through bad. So did Rebecca purple. All the colors came through bad because of the hash. Interesting. URL encoded hash. %23. Thank you for your answer. No, I want to insert a %23 there. It still didn't work. It's probably not. How would I? Because what if it's like a 6-letter word like purple? How do I know? Because if it's not, I want to apply it as a hash. Gosh. Percent 23. What is coming through? That's a good question. Percent 23. Let's just do a URL decode on that, shall we? React router params not being URL decoded. Do not use non-alphabetical characters in the URL. Some characters have special meaning in URLs. Even though React Router does not throw an error when you create a wrap component with an end, you'll end up with wonky behaviors. Best practice to avoid strange edge cases. You can read more about allowed characters in the URL. A workaround is a safe URL without spaces, characters, human readable. Cool, let's just do this. I have a quick hack. We'll say hash dash. If it's a hash dash, then what we can do is background fun. Here we go. Let back, oh, nope, I don't need to do that. Background is equal to background dot replace hash dash with, guess what's coming, a hash. Wow, how did he guess? I don't know. Otherwise, just let it be background if it's undefined or whatever. I'll let it take care of itself. So now that that's happened, oh, there it is. All right, now that we're able to debug that, a lot easier to debug Code Sandbox when you like split it out from its window, I think. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh. Let me edit. Save that. Oh, it's so good. Oh, wait. What is 5 minutes? I have 3 seconds, 30 seconds. One more of those is 5 minutes. Oh, it's so much more beautiful. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's so good. Wish I can message Ben and be like, come look at it, it's so much cooler. Quit lurking. Okay, so let me get out of this mode. There's the timer. It's so good. It's so good. All right, we're gonna transition back to me. So good. So there's that timer. And so basically now I want to build out this same setup. So see, if I'd done it with a query string, I could have done the hash as a if we had followed the use query method, I could have used the hash and gotten it out. But we didn't go that way. So at some point, um, we need instructions. So if you just hit the root route, instructions coming soon. On how to use it. So, I want anybody to be able to use this. Like any streamer, I'm gonna publish this, and then any streamer can get in. They can use these routes to create cool, a cool countdown timer or cool backgrounds or whatever. It'll have some limitations because obviously you can't put some crazy things out there. So breathing for a moment, checking the time. Oh, that ate up a good portion of our day. We got 9 minutes. So what is next? We're going to move everything around and create the start of our next one, which is, instead of a timer, it's text. So let's get into that real quick. So I'm gonna create a directory here called components, and I'm gonna move glitch in there. I'm gonna move glitched in there. I'll move the timer in there. All right, I'm gonna make another folder at the root called routes. And inside of this routes, I'm going to create a new file called glitched. I think it'd be nice if that was a G and not a C. That feels weird. Glitched container. Oh, dang it. Rename that with a .js. All right. So then I'm going to take this. Oh, dang it. Glitched timer. Quit messing with me. Dang it. No, let me change your name. Timer. There we go. So we've got the glitch timer. And now we need to come to app and still the glitched timer. And we're dropping in there. App.js needs, or it needs these guys. And we'll say or export default function export default function. It needs a name, which I got rid of. So let's put the name back. And we'll get rid of the arrow and the equal sign. All right. Still not quite there yet. I need to copy. That one goes away. I'm going to copy all of this and bring it over here. Except for it goes above it. Glitched is actually a dot slash component slash glitched and component slash an extra dot over here. All right, these go away because we're just using params in here. We'll save that. In the app, use query got moved, which we will probably want to figure that out in a moment. Probably should be in a other place. Use location would probably come before it. Getting organized is fun. It's important. Personally, I think it's important. So I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of the entire glitched timer. And then I'm gonna just type out this glitched timer again, and it will find it and want to auto import it for me. Thank you. Not using the params anymore. Not using CSS in here for now. Save all of that, and there we go. So now I have to refresh this, the whole app should still be working. Cannot find module CSS relative to glitch. Why you got the CSS? You don't need the CSS. That's something that's been hanging around forever. Could not find module in path relative to glitched. Interesting. I've been importing that like in all these files. Timer gonna blow up too? No. Okay. Thank goodness. All right. I can close that one. I can close that one. There we go. We are all split up now, and now we're ready to get like really rolling. So the next one is going to be, how much time do we got? How much time do we got? Oh my gosh, we could probably do the next one pretty quick. So the next one is going to be super simple. It's going to follow the same structure. It's going to be word, and then the word that we want to do. So we'll do React, and then it follows all the same structure after that. So I'm just going to hit that route, and nothing will happen. Instructions coming soon. It's a route that wasn't matched. So on the app, what I'm going to do literally is just duplicate the timer chunk and drop it in here. And I'm going to change timer to word. And then I'm going to change this param into display word. I mean, I guess I could have just called it word. It doesn't matter. Maybe I'll change that. Who knows? And then I'm going to duplicate the glitch timer by creating a new file, and we'll call it glitched word. Glitched word JS. Yep. And then I can take the glitched timer, copy this, drop that in here. Glitched word. This is display word. Display word is going to just come in here right into the H1 that's got this timer. We're out of time. No. No. We're going to get this real quick. Display word. Why are you not? Oh, because I typed it wrong up there too. That's why I typed it wrong down here. That's awesome. So there's the display word. I'm going to do something very similar with the display word that I'm doing with the background. I'm going to replace hyphens with spaces. There we go. No use of the timer in here. And okay, so now we have glitched word, but now in app, I need to do glitched word. And then on the word one, see, like, do you guys understand how quickly I can move now that I have this all organized? And boom, now I have a word one. The word one took like 2 minutes because I did all the hard work, got it organized, structured, and boom, the reusability of components. Boom, I cannot say it enough. I can't. Let's test out one more feature in here where if I say code hyphen sagas. Oh snap, it wraps, which is fine, I don't care. It's just based on how much space it has. That is awesome. All right, so to wrap this up, what I'm going to do is take this link. I'm going to transition to this screen, and we're going to remove that. Yeah, so that's gone. And now we're going to add a new source, a browser source, add the source, and create a new source, code sagas, code sagas glitch. So I'm going to add that source. I can tell it where to get its stuff from. I can say that I want it to be 1920 by 1080. And done. And then I just got to move it behind all the things. And now it's kind of like small in the background, but I mean, I can do some stuff. What if hold on, what if we, nah, let's not do that. What if, nah, doesn't matter. We'll work on this, but we're getting a start on it. You know, now I'm going to be able to throw up a whole bunch of words on the next one. So this was just one word, but imagine being able to do a chunk of words, like not just one, not just two, not just three, but like all words, and just make them all over. Give people seizures, maybe. I don't know. Anywho, code for life, y'all. Code for life.